It's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this minimal effort, low maintenance braidless crochet, then just keep watching. I already placed the back section of hair into a bun. If you can, try to get your bun smaller than mine, just so it can be easier to hide once we finish. And for the front, we're just going to slick it up into a ponytail. Use whatever you like. I'm using the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. I used the Jamaican Bounce crochet hair in a color number 2 for this style, and at $7.99 per pack, I only used 2 packs, so we are doing a budget friendly look today. I've been separating each strand of hair into twos, and sometimes that makes it a bit frizzy. So to fix that, all you have to do is just wrap the curl around your finger and it should go right back. And at this point, this is one full pack of hair and I'm ready to move to the front. Now that my ponytail is finished, I'm just slicking down my edges using my Care edge control. This is my favorite edge control. And this is the finished look. Super easy, super cute. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.